Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you something different. Today I'm going to show you the tips and tricks of the India's safest car, Tata Nexon. So without further wasting more time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, the first handy feature is to open up your boot. To open up your boot, you can just press and hold the middle button in your remote and it will open up your boot. You don't have to get inside the car to do that. So moving to the next handy feature is to operate the car siren using a remote. You just need to press and hold the top and the down button to activate your car siren, and to stop it just press on any key. So moving to the next handy feature is illumination control. To turn on the illumination control, just turn on the parking light and then you can just click on set and you will see something called illu. So to increase or decrease the illumination control, you just need to tap on it and it will increase or decrease the brightness of your music system screen and also the car dashboard screen. You can just see it here. So you can just increase or decrease the brightness. So this feature will come in handy when you are using the car at night. So moving to the next handy feature is to reset your trip. So first of all, you'll have to select the mode. You will get like two trip modes, trip A and trip B. If you want to reset trip A or trip B, select that, then go to the set button and just tap and hold on set button so that it will get reset. So another cool feature which I observed is like when you are going to shift your car to your reverse gear and when you are playing the music at higher volumes. So when you just put the reverse gear, the media volume actually reduces. So moving to the last feature in the list is to turn on the lights using a remote. You can simply tap on the middle button to operate this. So this will come in handy if you are trying to find your vehicle in a huge parking lot, especially at night. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want more such videos, just let us know in the comment section. Until next time we meet, bye bye.